Hey guys, S2W here with your DoubleU Overview, your weekly update to the top headline sneaker releases for the next 7 days. For the start of June, a lot more notable releases are happening just in time for summer. Like always, a copper drop poll will be available at the top right corner of this video, so feel free to click on the window as it pops out to vote. Let's take a look at what's dropping between June 2nd to the 8th of 2019. As an honorable mention, Adidas in collaboration with Undefeated released a sneaker together on May 31st. This is not their first time working together, but regardless, they dropped an Ultra Boost 1.0 decorated with Undefeated brandings again, just like their first release. However, it's in triple white this time with the American flag color combo, red and blue. For $220 at USD retail, the Undefeated logo is painted in blue on the left pair while red on the right. The lace tips are also dipped in red and blue, with the tongue Adidas branding painted in blue on both pairs. The torsion system is also painted in blue on both pairs, while the heel tab is decorated with the American flag. It's perfect for July 4th in the States, and really for anyone who lives or are from the United States. The only thing I like about this collab is the use of the 1.0 knit again, but I don't have any personal connections to USA, so I am skipping this release. Then on June 6th, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2 Vanta is releasing again for $300 USD. This shoe already released on the 31st of May at most sneaker boutiques worldwide. But Adidas Online and I believe flagship stores are getting their turns now. Released as an updated version to the chunky dad fashion wave that took part last year, this shoe features a less bulky visual feel with a mesh upper and premium suede panels. There are 3M detailing as well for that bling, with a comfy boost cushion for its midsole. I did not pick this up as I think my original Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runner is good enough, but these triple black 700 V2 look really nice as well, and if you want one, I think it's one of the better colorways so far for the silhouette or even the 700s in general releasing recently. On the same day on the 6th, possibly midnight 12 AM, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Black Reflective is dropping on Yeezy Supply as a rumor. There are also rumors that it's releasing at Adidas flagship stores at certain boutiques, but that has still yet to be seen, so keep on the lookout. But this release will be a very limited run and highly desirable because of its unique 3M reflective upper. It's a black colored Yeezy 350 V2 as well, which a lot of people are craving for. There's also a non-reflective pair releasing on the 7th, which is globally available even at foot stores like Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs. They will most likely be a raffle, possibly on the Monday and Tuesday, so look out for your local stores. Anyways, both of these models are basically the same minus the 3M upper, as they both come with 3M reflective laces with a lightweight prime knit upper and translucent lateral stripe as per the new styles from recent releases. The heel tab is decorated with a red stitching as well, reminiscent of the 350 V1 Pirate Blacks, and most importantly, it houses a full-length boost cushioning for that ultimate comfort. Both are $220 US at retail, and both will 100% sell out for its simple yet fire colorway. On the same day as the black non-reflective release, the 7th also marks the day for the release of the Nike and Undercover's collab, the Daybreak. It's a 1980 silhouette getting updated through this partnership, made with a nylon and suede upper. There are leather overlays to elevate the modern detailing of this collab, and we will also see a U graphic detail on the heel, with speckled details around the midsole. The aesthetic looks very edgy and unique, and for those who missed out on the Sacai collab, these are a pretty good alternative. I mean, just look at the jarring heel detail coming out of the back, as if it's a fancy car spoiler or something alike. Retailing for $160 US, there will be 2 colorways coming out in either blue or black. There are more colorways coming in the future, but as of now, the blue and black is releasing, and many stores are doing it through raffle it seems. Then June 8th arrives, and the Jordan brand is releasing the Reflections of a Champion pack. It's a collection of 3 sneakers that celebrate Michael Jordan's three-peat between 1991 to 93, where he wore 3 certain silhouettes the most. This includes the Jordan 6, 7, and also 8. All of them feature a 3M upper with color accents that pay homage to the original colorways that MJ stuck with. Other than that, the aesthetic and form follows the classics, and truthfully speaking, it will be the 3M upper that they are trying to grab our attention. If you're a fan of MJ or even these silhouettes in general, I think they all have potential, especially for me the 6s, as the infrared just pops really nicely in normal view, then the 3M can take over whenever light hits on it. All 3 sneakers retail at $225 USD, so pick your poison, and honestly, they do look pretty clean. Lastly, through the week of June 3rd, Nike is releasing the annual Be True collection, which celebrates Pride Month and the LGBTQ community. They are releasing 4 shoes this time around with new colorways, including the Air Max 720 for $190 US, Air Tailwind 79 for $100, Air Max 90 for $130, and the Zoom Pegasus for $180. This year, their main focus is using the OG 8-color flag that was originally designed on the flag. Each color symbolizes their own specific theme, including sexuality, life, nature, and spirit, to name a few. It's a very colorful release in my opinion, and the Air Maxes are definitely an eye-catching color choice on feet. Especially for the summer, even if you want to disregard the whole theme of the shoe, the colorway itself makes a great debut for summer of 2019. This collection also comes with apparel and accessories too, so keep on the lookout if you're interested. Anyways, that concludes this week of DoubleU Overview. Make sure to click on the prompt on the top right of this video and vote copper drop on each shoe. Also, which headline sneaker is your favorite this coming week? Let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next DoubleU Overview.